National symbols of Pakistan. The national language of Pakistan is Urdu. The national fruit of Pakistan is mango. The national vegetable of Pakistan is ladyfinger. The national juice of Pakistan is sugarcane juice. The national flower of Pakistan is jasmine. The national tree of Pakistan is Cedrus tirara. The national mountain of Pakistan is Ketu. The national mosque of Pakistan is Faisal Mosque. The national bird of Pakistan is chakor partridge. The national animal of Pakistan is markhor. The national fish of Pakistan is mahasir. The national reptile of Pakistan is magar crocodile. The national mammal of Pakistan is Indus River dolphin. The national amphibian of Pakistan is Indus River toad. The national predator of Pakistan is snow leopard. The national game of Pakistan is field hockey. The national slogan of Pakistan is Pakistan Zindabad. The national dress of Pakistan is Shalwar Kameez. The national mausoleum of Pakistan is Mazar-e-Qaid. National airline of Pakistan is the PIA. The national document of Pakistan is Lahore Resolution. The national motto of Pakistan is faith, unity and discipline. National city of Pakistan is Islamabad. The national currency of Pakistan is rupee. The national river of Pakistan is Indus River. The national poet of Pakistan is Allama Iqbal. The national colors of Pakistan, white and green. The Pakistan Day, National Day of Pakistan, observed on 23 March. Pakistan's national floral symbol jasmine was adopted in July 1961. The national hero, national father of Pakistan is Quaid-e-Azam, who known as Madre Millat, mother of Pakistan, Fatima Jinnah. The national anthem of Pakistan is Qawmi Tarana, Pak Sa Zameen. The national monument of Pakistan is Pakistan Monument, Islamabad. I hope you will like this video. Don't forget to like and share this video, and also subscribe my YouTube channel by name Sir Abdul Razaq Bheen Attari.